guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating yet in another challenge. This is the monthly challenge that is called Thrift Flip Challenge. It's hosted by Joan from Thrift Queen. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box and please visit it. I participated in this challenge, a few times before, and I always say the same. She's so funny, she's adorable, she is creative, and she is all about thrifting, saving money, and that's something I really like. So, for this challenge, again, why I always say channel when it's challenge, so forgive me. I do that all the time, and I try hard, believe me. We have a budget of $10 as maximum, but if we could do this for free, it would be better. And in my case, I'm doing it almost for free, because the only thing I paid for is this candle from Dollar Tree. I already had the lace. This is a pot that is a leftover from those succulents from Dollar Tree. I have had it for years. This is a frisbee. This was glued in the bottom. It was a circle and I removed it. That came from the dumpster. You know, I hope, because that would mean you follow my channel and watch my videos. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. The link to our channel, Dumpster Chicks, is also in the description box. And we find a lot of things in the dumpsters, and this was one of those things. I found like 6 or 7, like this one, and I sold the other ones on eBay. But this was damaged. The circle here was too damaged to sell it, so I kept it, and I thought, oh, this looks good as the base for a candle holder. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that I'm also leaving the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge in the description box. Please watch all of them. You will be thankful to me, because you will find many new ideas. Okay, this is going to be really fast. It's really simple. We have to do something that may be used for late spring, early summer. So, as I said, I'm using this pot. This is the leftover from those rolls of packing tape. I always keep them, and in this case I was glad I did that. I painted this border that is going to be up in black for a better finish. The inside is white, so perfect. And I'm going to add this buffalo check ribbon here. I already started, so I'm going to finish now. You don't need too much hot glue for this, just a little bit every few inches. I'm trying for the border to be aligned with the border of the roll. So I'm going to add a little bit here, and then I'm going to finish it. I need my finger protector. Okay, let's do this very carefully. Oops. Like so. And here we have it. So the whole circle is now covered by the ribbon. And I'm going to fold this side because I didn't have a ribbon that was exactly as wide as this roll, so I used the one I had at hand. And I didn't even had to buy this one. I bought 2 of these at Hobby Lobby, I think, or maybe Michael's, after Christmas, when they did the sale, the 90%. Michael's, it was Michael's, I remember that. It was 90% discount, so that was awesome. I think I paid like $1 something for the whole roll, and it has a lot of yards. And I bought 2, the last 2 that were available at the store. Sorry for the other guys. Okay, so let's hold it. This is going to be covered by the candle, so I don't mind if it's not perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to glue this to the frisbee. Here we go. Center this. Perfect. I added this piece of twine to give this pot a bit of farmhouse style and a touch of farmhouse to match the top. Anyways, I'm going to place it in an arrangement where this is not going to be seen, but I may use it later in another arrangement, so it's okay. I need more hot glue. Here we go. Let's center this as much as possible. Okay. So, I made a mistake and I don't like it. I want this to be the front and I didn't take care of that. I didn't pay attention, so fail. Let's redo this. I want to hurry up, and that's why I'm not doing the things right. Okay, so we learn from our experiences. I want this to be the front. Then I'm going to clean all this stuff. So now, much better. And now I'm going to add the candle. So you can see that it's a beautiful candle holder. I would like to have a wider candle, but I don't have one now. Maybe after all this pandemic goes away and I dare to go outside, because I don't dare to go outside already. Yet. I will buy a wider candle, but for now it will do. And I'm going to add this to an arrangement I've been working on for summer, spring and summer. I love hydrangeas, so this is also from the dumpster, from Michael's. I love this little bird. These are from the dumpster. These are from Walmart. So I use this pan that I have, and I haven't used it in years. So I added the lamb ears. I'm adding the flowers. I'm not gluing anything because I will probably later use the same pan for another arrangement, or the flowers or the lamb ears. And I'm going to add the candle here. See the front, like so. So now I am going to arrange everything, and I'm going to place this cutie pie here if he wants to stay. Yes. So this is my new arrangement for my console table for summer, late spring, beginning of summer. It's going to stay there for the whole summer. I like how it looks. So I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please visit Thrift Queen channel and the playlist. Thank you so much, Joan, for doing this challenge every month. I love it and I love you. And thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. It's another challenge in a few days. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.